Do you have a JBL speaker? Does it sometimes make a horrible noise and shut down, like mine? The cause of this is a bad swollen battery. First, pry open the mesh cover and unscrew 4 screws. Friends in China have sent me this lovely battery strap to some cheap toy. Open one of these cups and unscrew another 2 screws to reach the battery plug. If your battery is truly swollen, you will have some hard time pulling it out. You need to unscrew some more screws to be able to push the battery from the other side. Maybe the heat of my car is to blame, or maybe it's just the way it is and batteries swell up. Here I poke it with a stick and a screwdriver, but you should be much more careful. Only after bringing a friend to push, together we finally were able to pull it out.
Опа, идет. Опа. Какой вы хороший товарищ.
I make the new battery a little thicker with isolier band, just for it not to shake inside. So now let's screw everything back together. People, after my handling, this speaker doesn't turn on anymore. I opened it again, and after a hard look, I noticed that apparently during our pull or push, I damaged a small cable. Sometimes we fix, and sometimes we break. This is life, I guess.